We all need to learn more, then we can begin to do more, so together we can be more. I just wanted to say that although my channel's, yes, it's focused on luxury and fashion, it's also a place of joy and positivity for me, and I hope for you too. I did want to take this time, however, to acknowledge the Black Lives Matter movement because it honestly has challenged me so much. I know my words may be imperfect, but I still wanted to say something than nothing at all. I don't know about you guys, but I've gone through a myriad of emotions these couple of weeks, from sadness, guilt, anger, to ones of compassion and hope. I know real change comes from the heart. I know actions speak louder than words. So as a first step, 100% of the ad revenue from this video will be donated to 2 charities. One locally called ANTA, which supports justice, rights and respect for Indigenous Australians, and the other half to Black Lives Matter. I will continue to educate myself more on the issue of systemic racism, to listen and learn. But I stand with the Black community for a future that celebrates diversity, promotes equality, and encourages love and compassion. I know this year has been unsettling and even uncomfortable for all of us, but I'm grateful that through it all, it has caused me to reflect, to have the needed conversations with my children, my family, my friends, so that I can be better. I don't think it's ever too late to educate yourself, to read, learn, sign petitions, and donate. I'll leave some links down below. We know we are stronger together. We also are more powerful when we empower one another. So I encourage you all, let's do our part, starting from ourselves, to be the change we want to see in this world. Hello my loves, welcome back. So today I've got a few new ins to show you, some designer sale items because there are some fabulous sales happening right now, and a couple of goodies I picked up from Hermes. So I went into the store, it's been like first time in 3 months, so I was super excited. So if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Mel. I would love for you to join the family. We're celebrating my 4 years on YouTube, so there's still a couple more giveaways, so make sure you are subscribed because there's going to be one major one coming up. So let's get started with what's in this bright yellow box. And this box is from Mytheresa. I have bought from them for years and I love their range. And I'm going to start off with what I'm wearing because I have actually unboxed it. So it's not a true unboxing, but yeah, I couldn't wait to wear this. So let's get started with this gorgeous floral top. So this item is actually on sale. Mytheresa have a fabulous sale going on. Actually, a lot of the designers have sales going on at the moment. And this beautiful blush floral blouse is from a brand called Jonathan Simkhai. It's my first piece from him, but I've always admired his designs because they're quite feminine. You guys know I love floral. I love that the sleeves have all this embroidered detail all the way up the shoulders, and you know, as I mod shot it in the back, it carries all the way through. I like the sleeves. It's 100% cotton. Even the elasticated arms, it's just very comfortable to wear. I also think it's gorgeous that, you know, I like tassels, but this can be worn. You can tie it up like this and have it tied up, or you can just have it loose like this. So I like it that you can kind of wear it a couple of ways. So I picked this up on sale. They have up to, I think, 60% off at the moment. And no, this video is not sponsored by Mytheresa, but as you know, I'm always transparent. They did reach out to me and they gave me a small voucher to use. But again, I always go over. So I have a few things that I actually picked up because I've been eyeing them. And when they went on sale, I was like, yes, even better. So guys, a lot of you have asked me, you know, in terms of Farfetch and Louisa V Aroma, you guys know I have worked with those two companies before. And how am I able to get my exclusive MIM codes? And honestly, it's because of you. It's because you click on my links and you buy through my links. And no, it does not cost you any extra if you buy through my links. Obviously, they are affiliate links, but we make a little bit from it, but it really depends. It's quite a complicated process. But anyway, I would appreciate it so much. I'm gonna leave my pics down below from My Teresa. I'm really hoping that I can get you guys an exclusive code in future. There's no guarantees, but I'm just very honored that they, reached out. So if you did like anything, it really helps support my channel if you click on the links. It is completely up to you, but I thought I'll just let you know because that is how I'm able to get and continue to get better codes for you each and every time. But anyway, the first gorgeous blouse I got was this brand. So if you love feminine sort of floral blouses or skirts and tops, I think you will like Jonathan Simkhai. They've got some great things on sale at the moment. And the reason why it's really good, and I wanted to wait to film this, even though I got this a few days ago, is because now is like worldwide. Originally, it was just in a few countries, but now the sale is open for everybody. So let's see what else is in here. As I said, I have unboxed all the items, but I'm happy to say everything that I picked up, they're all on sale. Hopefully they're still in stock. I think most of them are. So let's get started with this. So I was specifically looking for tops, and I actually had this in my wish list. So when it went on sale, I was so wrapped. And this gorgeous top is from Self Portrait. For those of you that have been following me for ages, you know I'm a big Self Portrait fan. And I just really liked how this looked on the model, and I have tried it on. And yeah, I like the checkered detail of the blouse, but it is sort of pleated. I love these sort of lace, Mel loves lace again, on the shoulder, the sort of lace insets, and then it's sort of framed with this gorgeous ruffling detail. It's just got a lot of detail on this, and it actually feels like the quality feels really nice. I think with Self Portrait, all their dresses, they're quite weighty, which I really like. And yeah, I was just looking for more blouses. This is really up my alley. It's feminine, it's got ruffles, it's got lace. Yeah, and by the way, I will list the sizes that I got in the description bar below, but I usually just take my normal size. So this is just a US 4 or an Australian or UK 8. So as you can see, I'm just pairing it with jeans. I could wear this to work with a black pencil skirt as well. I think this blouse is just very, very versatile, but it's just a different take on just your plain black standard blouse. And yes, I think this is like 30 or 40% off at the moment. Okay, next, let's open the yellow box again. And it is this item. So I picked up a few clothing pieces. I don't know, I feel like there's quite a lot of really nice clothing pieces on sale. So again, this is from Self Portrait, and this time it is a dress. It is white. It's like a shirt sort of style dress, but again, Self Portrait's really known for like their lace. And did you know that Self Portrait, the actual founder and designer, is actually Malaysian, but now Self Portrait is based in the UK. But I've been a fan of his designs for a long time. I love the dresses. It's just very feminine, but still, it uses all the luxurious materials, but it's still very versatile to wear. That's what I like about Self Portrait anyway. So this is just in a cotton, it's just a cotton dress. But when I saw this on the model, it just looked very effortless. I don't know, I just think white, I love wearing white. I know we're in winter at the moment, but I think that this style of dress, it's going to be great when spring comes around. And yeah, I just couldn't resist when it was on sale. It's got all the elements that I love, and as you can see, you can wear it loose. It is designed for like a looser fit, but if you wanted to, which I will do as well, you can definitely belt it up and cinch in your waist more. So that is what it looks like, and I will do some modeling shots. But yeah, just a huge fan of Self Portrait. So if you've never tried the brand out, I definitely highly recommend it. I've got quite a lot of pieces from Self Portrait actually, and yeah, I just love his aesthetic. And the final thing that I got, another thing I like about My Teresa, they always have, like, look at this. Fashion is like eating. You shouldn't stick to the same menu. Isn't that kind of creative, that really resonates with me because I love food, as you know, and I was like, that is so true. But anyway, I thought that was just really cute. And the last thing I picked up is actually some shoes. So these are from By Far. I think these have sold out, but if there's any others, I will link them in. These are just a bit of fun. Actually, Miss S helped me pick these because her favorite colors at the moment are rainbow. So yes, it comes with a big dust bag. And in here are these rainbow colored sandals with this block heel. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is like multicolored, and all the front straps, those two straps, and it's got basically, yeah, it's basically rainbow. And it was on sale. I thought it would be a really good heel height for spring, summer. It would go with a lot of my dresses because you could match any color here to it. And yeah, as I said, Miss S actually saw them. She's like, Mummy, I really like these rainbow colored shoes. And I'm like, they're actually a bit of fun. So that was the last item that I picked from My Teresa. So everything I've mentioned, if it is in stock, I will link down below. I will also link in some other bags that I think are really good deals. I saw this one. I don't know what's with me in yellow. Maybe because I'm just wanting to go on a tropical vacation or something. But you know how I said to you guys that I'm not usually a fan of Chloe? They do have a cheaper range called C by Chloe, and the styles are very, very similar, but so much cheaper. So I saw this bag here, and it's in my cart at the moment, but I was really surprised at the price. It's 100% leather. It's yellow, it's bright, it's fun. It's got the detachable strap, and it's like 206 US dollars. So I was really surprised at that. So I wouldn't mind trying C by Chloe. Have any of you tried C by Chloe versus Chloe? Let me know. But I thought that was so worth it for the price. Actually, whatever codes I do know of, I will put all the designer sales. I know you guys say it is very, very helpful when I find codes for you, whether they're my own or I just find them online. Anything that I find, I will summarize in the description bar for you because who doesn't like to pick up designer items on sale? Next up, I have a couple of things from Hermes to show you. And I don't know, I was so excited going to the Hermes store. It's been over 3 months. So for just a quick update for those of you in Australia, we are definitely coming out of isolation. A lot of things are open. Miss S actually just went back to school. So schools are open and she's just so happy to go back to school. But yes, I did pop in super quickly to Hermes, and my sales associate had reserved for me a couple of things that I was after. So I'm just going to get right to it and show you. The first one, you're like, Mel, yeah, I know. I can't resist. I don't know what it is about these. Obviously, you know, already know what it is. Yes, so it is a Rodeo. And this one is, what? This one is a really special one. So he saved this for me. Dun, dun, dun. It is a single colored Rodeo. Yes, this is in color, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's ruby, but it's like this gorgeous, deep, reddy pink sort of color. It kind of goes with my nails, doesn't it? And yeah, I just loved it. It's like, oh, when I see a Rodeo, Mel, I think of you. I go, thank you so much. I love single colored Rodeos. I love Rodeos in general anyway. So I was so rapt that he saved that for me. And look how cute it is. It's gonna go with so many of my bags. Black, it could go with pink. Look, pink. It's just so cute. I'm crazy about these horsies. And so that's the first horsey. Yes, there is another horsey, and yes, I will tell you prices as well. And then in here, since I am on horsies, there is another horsey. And so for those of you that have joined and you are thinking, what are these horses? They are very sought after. I don't know why. They're used just to accessorize your bags, really. I don't know. They're probably not really worth the money, but those of you that get it, you do get it because these are sought after by so many people, and yeah, So the next one is this more neutral colored one. So this is in, the body is in sesame, I believe, cray, and this is the new green, which is Ver Criquet. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but yeah, it's just a more neutral colored one. And there's actually another one I'm waiting for, which is in this criquet color, but I wanted in the PM size. They did have an MM, but I said, okay, no, I'm just going to go home with 2 horses. And both of these are in Australian dollars, 660 Australian dollars. Yes, I know, very expensive, but yeah, just so sought after. And as you guys know, I'm a rodeo collector, and I know I need to do a rodeo collection, and I still have not done that, but I will. Yeah, I just don't know how to store them at the moment, but I haven't forgotten, guys, I promise. And finally, I did pick up one more item, and this was a little bit of a surprise actually, because I didn't know. Let me just unbox it and show you. So it is a little SLG, and it's going to come at no surprise to those of you that follow me, because you know I'm a huge fan. This is one of my favorite small leather goods, and I highly recommend this to anyone that's wanting to try the Hermes brand out. I just love this one, and it is actually a Vastia. So this is the Vastia. I own these in several colors. I just love it. I'm very old school in the way that I still carry coins, but even if you didn't use this for coins, you could use it for your headphones. You could just use it, I don't know, but it's specifically designed for coins. Now, I'm going to do a close-up of this because this is actually in a new leather. So I thought it was actually in Chev, which is goat, but it's actually a new Chev. It's actually shinier, and I've never seen this before. I've never seen this leather anyway. It is new for this year. So it's still called Chev. Let me just look at the receipt and see if there's a name for it. Yeah, it's called Chev Shamkila. Yeah, I hope I'm not pronouncing that wrong, but it basically is more shinier, and yeah, I just love the sheen. And oops, I totally forgot to tell you, this is in color anemone. Oh my goodness, I would love a Birkin 25 in anemone with gold hardware. Wouldn't that be amazing? But anyway, still no luck from my local store, by the way. And I know lots of you still think I've got stuff from that store, but I have not been able to get a bag. Hopefully soon. But anyway, I'm really happy to get this little guy because yeah, I love the leather. I just love this SLG, so I highly recommend it. And this in Australian dollars is 405 Australian dollars. So that is it, guys. Those are the items that I've picked up recently. Some designer sale items from My Teresa and a couple of things from Hermes. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're looking to shop for any designer items, it's a really great time because I think everyone has gone on sale now, and I will leave all the links down below. Thank you so much again. Have a wonderful day or night, and I will catch you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.